Shake it like that. Seems to be right in here. So I couldn't figure out what was making that noise. I ended up taking it to a local bike shop and they helped me figure out that the noise was not up here, but was down here. And if I flip this over, you can see exactly what piece they had to work with. Okay, so the piece that was the problem was this piece right here. If you can see that there's 2 screws in here. The silver screw is actually a replacement, and that's what was missing. That's what was broken. So this piece holds the battery inside of the frame and was loose. He discovered this, we added a screw, and now it's tight and the issue's resolved. All right, I flipped the bike back over and I just want to show you that it is resolved. So when I shake it, see how quiet that is? Noise is gone. Give a little bump. So that is perfectly fixed. This part can also be purchased from Canyon. So you can buy the part from Canyon and just use one of the screws that comes with it. The link to that is in the description. And this solved the issue for me. Hopefully it can help somebody else. Thank you. Let me know if this helps you out in the comments, and feel free to like and subscribe. And if there's any other videos you're interested in seeing, let me know. Any other problems you have, I'll see what I can do for you.